Have you noticed that your joints are getting stiffer, your energy is draining away quickly, and your memory is not as sharp as it used to be? Many people believe that this is an inevitable part of aging, but in fact, simple dietary changes can radically affect how you feel every day. Hello, my name is Dr. Andrew Mitchell. I'm a doctor with over 30 years of experience, and over the years, I've helped thousands of people maintain and improve their health in natural ways. In my practice, I always approach the body in a complex way, because vision, brain, joints, and muscles are closely interconnected. I've repeatedly seen how a well-chosen diet slows down the aging process and even helps restore what seemed to have already been lost. Today, I will tell you about 4 simple porridges. These are not trendy superfoods or expensive supplements, but familiar foods that can reduce inflammation, strengthen joints and muscles, and even support brain function. Be sure to watch it to the end, because the last porridge on this list is a real surprise. Few people know about it, but it can become your secret breakfast for health and strength after 50. If you want to continue receiving simple but scientifically sound nutrition and health advice after 50, be sure to subscribe to the channel and click the bell, so you won't miss the new videos where I share strategies that help keep joints young, clear-headed, and energized for years to come. Subscribing is your small step today to feel stronger and healthier tomorrow.
Porridge number 1, oatmeal. Let's start with the most famous but incredibly useful porridge, oatmeal. This is not just a hearty breakfast, but a real health food after 50. Oatmeal is rich in beta-glucans, natural soluble fibers that have been proven to lower cholesterol and support heart health. For people over 50, this is especially important because with age, blood vessels become less elastic and cardiovascular risks increase. In addition, oatmeal contains magnesium and B vitamins, which support the nervous system and help maintain concentration and memory. And slow carbohydrates provide stable energy in the morning without sudden spikes in blood sugar. And that's not all. Oatmeal has anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce joint discomfort. Numerous studies show that regular consumption of oatmeal products is associated with a decrease in inflammatory markers in the body. How to eat oatmeal correctly? 1. Add berries, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, a source of antioxidants and vitamin C. 2. Nuts or seeds provide additional protein and healthy fats for joints and the heart. 3. It can be cooked with water or milk, depending on your preferences. Just 1 bowl of oatmeal in the morning can be your first step towards stronger joints, a healthy heart, and a clear mind. Porridge number 2, buckwheat. The second hero of our list is buckwheat. Many underestimate this cereal, considering it just a side dish, but in fact, it is a real storehouse of useful substances for people over 50. Buckwheat does not contain gluten, which makes it easy to digest, and at the same time it is rich in rutin, an antioxidant that strengthens the walls of blood vessels and reduces the risk of cardiovascular diseases. This is especially important with age, when vascular elasticity decreases and blood pressure may fluctuate. In addition, buckwheat contains iron, magnesium, and fiber. Iron helps maintain energy levels and prevents muscle fatigue. Magnesium is involved in the nervous system and supports healthy bones and joints. And fiber improves digestion and normalizes metabolism. Studies show that regular consumption of buckwheat can reduce the level of inflammatory processes in the body, which has a positive effect on joints, reducing pain and stiffness. Tips for use. Cook buckwheat in water or lightly salted milk for softness. Add vegetables or herbs. This way the cereal turns into a full-fledged, nutritious dish. Can be mixed with nuts or seeds to increase protein and healthy fats. Therefore, buckwheat is not just a satisfying porridge, but a real ally of your heart, joints, and brain, which helps you stay energetic and healthy after 50.
Porridge number 3, Corn, polenta. The third porridge on our list is corn, or polenta. It may seem simple at first glance, but it's actually a powerful source of antioxidants and nutrients, especially for people over 50. Cornmeal is rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, two important carotenoids that protect the eyes and support brain function. This is especially true with age, when cognitive functions and vision may gradually decrease. In addition, polenta is easily digested, which makes it ideal for morning meals without overloading the digestive system. Corn groats are also useful for joints and muscles. They contain B vitamins and magnesium, which are necessary for muscle contraction, maintaining nerve conduction, and reducing inflammatory processes. Studies show that regular consumption of foods high in these substances helps reduce the level of inflammatory markers and improves joint mobility. How to eat corn porridge with maximum benefit. Cook with water or milk, adding a little olive oil to absorb fat-soluble antioxidants. Add vegetables, herbs, or a little cheese. This will increase the nutritional value of the dish. Can be combined with nuts or seeds for extra protein and healthy fats. Just one plate of corn porridge in the morning or for lunch helps to strengthen memory, maintain eye health, reduce inflammation, and improve joint mobility. This is a great option for those who want to stay active and energetic after 50 while enjoying the food.
Porridge number 4. Quinoa. The fourth porridge on our list is quinoa. Many consider it exotic, but in fact, it is a complete source of protein and essential amino acids, which makes it ideal for people over 50, especially for supporting joints, muscles, and general body recovery. Quinoa is unique in that it contains all 9 essential amino acids that are essential for the synthesis of collagen, a protein that supports healthy joints, ligaments, and skin. As we age, the natural production of collagen decreases, and regular consumption of protein, especially from quinoa, helps slow down this process. In addition, quinoa is rich in magnesium, phosphorus, and manganese, which strengthen bones and reduce the risk of joint inflammation. Omega-3 fatty acids found in some quinoa varieties support the heart and blood vessels, and antioxidants help fight oxidative stress by slowing cell aging and keeping the mind clear. Tips for cooking quinoa. Wash the grits before cooking to remove the bitterness. Cook with water or broth for extra flavor. Add vegetables, seeds, nuts, or a little olive oil to get a full range of proteins, fats, and antioxidants. Just one serving of quinoa in the morning or at lunch gives the body the building materials to repair joints, strengthen muscles, and maintain brain activity. This porridge is not only nutritious and delicious, but also a real tool for maintaining health after 50, allowing you to stay energetic, mobile, and focused throughout the day.
Stay healthy, get smarter.